guys, I'm Cora and I have a special guest today. Okay, go. Go in.
Hi everyone. I'm Chichi. I'm Cora's older sister. I hope you're having a great day.
Ang sweet mo na.
Okay.
Ang sweet bro sa camera.
Okay, let's go to the room. Go Cora, make a room. So this is our second time playing the game. I technically died on the first game because I didn't think through.
But I
Na
did.
we need to kill the zombie. So here, where are you, Cora?
I'm here.
Okay, we need to collect the zombies.
I collected it.
Oh, how many times do you play this game, Cora?
Just, one time with you. But I never played.
Yeah, I tried this last night. So yeah. Anyway, so we're making a pie. Let's see, savory pie, and worth $46.
Dollars.
Yeah, it's $1. That's a dollar sign.
Oh my gosh, open the door.
So Cora put the pie on the shelf. Oh my god, may bumili agad.
Bro, how is that so far?
Okay, so the instructions is we're going to the gunsmith shop or the weapon shop.
Gunsmith. Yep.
So we're gonna buy some. Oh my god, this is just a cheap weapon. It's a rolling pin. Okay, I'm gonna deposit it.
I think I bought yours.
Yeah, oh my god. Okay, thank you for giving me a free weapon. So I'm gonna scavenge some wood. Kasi I think we're gonna make a barrier something. Not sure guys. Where are you? Where are you, bro? Okay. I think you buy the frying pan.
I don't have there's no frying pan in there.
Frying pan is a great weapon, guys.
Yeah.
If you want some ideas how to.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
So I did make the hammer. I got 2, I think. Bro, can you get this for me? So
Go.
that we have a 2 hammers. Okay. Cora, hello.
Yes.
Go here. There's an arrow. I think you need to follow the instruction first so that the day will start.
Oh.
Okay, let's go. I think she's just playing with Brianna.
Yeah, Brianna.
Yeah. This is my first time in the channel. Oh god, this is the zombies.
Get away from my sister.
Okay, this is really nice.
Out.
I think last time we played this, we actually survived for 15 days only. And now I think we come back stronger. And yun, the tip for you guys is to stick together. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, Cor. I am advising them to how to play this. Okay, I think we need to collect the body now.
It's weird though. Why do you feel zombie?
Because zombie is bad.
And why does the neighborhood doesn't get like attacked? Only
And
us.
guys, you should invest on a good weapon.
Yes.
Cora is having a problems on how she spent her money. She wastes lots of money with the useless things.
Yeah.
So I think that is the tip for you guys. You should
Waste money.
No, actually not. I think you should save money first and then buy a good weapon.
Me, I waste money, bro.
And buy lots of pie. Make some lots of pie.
Wait,
Right.
I'm gonna explore the neighborhood. There's like something.
Yeah, I think so too. Kasi we don't have enough money to buy some good guns. Like it's used to be before. I think you should collect some the woods or the
Wait,
craft.
there's a fridge. I got a free
I think we need to
ingredient.
craft lots of blockage so that our base doesn't collapse.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
It's so
I got
small.
fridge too. Thank you for this. Got these. I think we have a lot of plenty time to investigate the area. We actually I don't want to spill it with you guys. So later we're gonna explain how we survive this town.
Okay, back guys. Just cut something.
Okay. So Cora really is good at the placing this on the right right
But we don't
right
have a wrench.
position. But we don't have a wrench. We only got a hammer and a rolling pin.
We're so
Okay,
poor.
so
But I'm not.
zombie is almost here and we are ready to go. We need to kill some zombies so we can make a lot of lots of pie.
Does a rolling pin hurt?
Okay, let's go. Yeah, it's probably because it's a wood with a nail. I think it's really effective weapon. I really love this game kasi the health can regenerate after you survive the night.
But you can.
I think bandages is quite useless at the early game. It really the red moon, tama di ba, Cora? Yeah. May red moon kasi dito and sobrang dami ng zombies pag like upgraded siya. Merong this one. Okay, we need to collect na. Meron siyang sumasabog na zombies.
Oh.
It's really quite disturbing. And medyo
Yes.
sobrang baba ng health.
Help
We
me.
need to help
I'm
the
trapped inside the church.
we need to help
me from your blueprint.
we need to help him.